Application performance optimization. It's a topic that needs to be discussed whenever any application is in the development stage or in the designing stage. Hi everyone, this is Prashant Chaudhary. I welcome you all to my channel Classic Power App. In this video, we'll be discussing about the topic of the performance optimization, that is the comparing of two controls, the drop-down controls and the combo box controls. Although their work are similar, but we can see in combo box there are two more features that are there in addition to the drop down. One is the it can be used to search the particular item from the list. Also it can select multiple items at a time. But how this control affects the performance of the application, here we look into it. So without wasting any time, I'm just navigating to my screen. So here we create one application and show you how performance is affecting from this controls. Performance opt, so we are making the name of the application to be performance opt and we are making it to be font layout. Okay, so what we are trying to, we create the application and we use these control and see how the performance is affecting if I use drop down and how the performance is affecting if I use combo box. Okay, so on the main screen, let's add two buttons. I can not add, just add two buttons. I'll name it as drop down screen. Drop down screen. Okay. Make it till down and I copy paste it and make it to combo box screen. Combo box screen. Now we add one screen, blank screen, and on that screen I use one button first, and that button would be used to navigate to the back screen. Okay, it should be on the back. I'm calling the back function on the on stack property of this button. Okay, let's drag it this side, and in this screen I'm adding one drop down control. Okay, and the drop down control, I need to pass some items, so I'm just passing some random items. Okay, so just pass it. Let's say my name Shant. I'm just passing some dummy items. Okay, Rakesh Shant Harsh Fan Ali Mohan, and I'll just add one more, Roshan. I'll simply pass some items in my drop down control. Okay, and that drop down is simply highlighting me all these options from which I need to just make some selection. Okay, now, okay, one more thing I need to do is just give it a name, like this is the drop down screen. Okay, drop down screen should be in the center, and we have make the color of this to be, okay, this is good, and change the color of this to white. Okay, and I just make the duplicate of this and duplicate of this, and on this screen I'm just removing this one and inserting the combo box control. And in the combo box control, I'm passing the same options that I have passed for the drop down. because I need to just compare which one affects the performance of my application and how. This it just go to drop down, control C. I just need to just need only the options, combo box. Okay, okay, fine. It is now combo box, combo box, combo box screen. Okay, and I name this to combo screen, combo screen, and it is drop down screen, drop down screen. Is and on the here on the we have the two buttons at the starting, so I just navigate to different screen from these buttons. Okay, so on the unselect property of this, I pass to navigate on which screen, on the drop down screen, because this is a drop down button, and this one I use for the navigate to different screen. Which one? For my combo screen. Okay, and just make it the thing to be complete blue. Okay, this one I have combo screen. Okay, yeah, this is for home screen, and just drag this one. Okay, and give this name as home screen. Okay, and also change the name of this to home home screen. Okay, great. So what we have done, we have created one application which is having three screens. One is the home screen, one screen is having only one button and one drop down control which is having some options to select, and on the another screen I have the same as of the second screen. Only thing is the instead of drop down I have here the combo box. Again the options are same. Okay, so and we have the home screen which is having the two buttons which is used to navigate to different screens. Okay, okay, so I'll simply save this application, performance opt, and save this one and see how these controls are affecting. So we'll go with the power app home screen. On the home screens I have my applications here. It is performance, yeah, here it is. So what we do, I'll go with the monitoring so that I can see how much these controls are affecting, how much time this control are taking to load the particular screen. Okay, so we come here and I simply decrease the size of this. Let's play the published app. Okay, and move to the different new screen and resize this one. Okay, so here you can see when I have played this application, it has taken four events that are actually triggered. Okay, and their duration, how much time they have taken. For the load screen, it has taken 34 milliseconds, and for other functions as well, there are some time that screen has taken to become visible for the users. Okay, now if I navigate to the my drop down screen. Okay, so here you can see from after the fourth event. Okay, if I move to the drop down screen, I get three event is just the clicking of the user action. Second is, first it is loading the third screen because the condition is written that it needs to navigate to the another screen. Okay, so that's why it first load that screen and later on it use that function to navigate to the particular screen. So here we can see, in order to load the screen it has taken 18 milliseconds. Okay, yes, here you can see 18 okay, here you can see 18 milliseconds it has taken in order to load the screen, which is the drop down screen. Okay, if you would like to see, you can see here. See, load screen, drop down screen. Okay, now let's come back. When it come back, it has taken 8 and 9 because it is coming back on the home screen, and when it is coming back to the home screen it need not to load the first screen because first screen is already loaded when the application was started. Okay, that's why it has not taken the load screen of the first home screen. Okay, other two events are there for the select and for the navigate to the home screen. Now I move to the combo screen. I got three more events, and this screen is having my combo box control. Here you can see. So if I come here back, I can see, just point this ID 6 and the another one is the 11. Both screen are having the same controls, only the difference is one screen is having the drop down control and the screen is having the combo box control. Although the items are same, but we get the loading time. For the drop down screen it has taken 18 milliseconds, but for the combo box screen it has taken 85 milliseconds. That is really a good difference, I believe. Okay, because right now our option is limited, that's why you can see only if we have around 60 millisecond of difference. But if take an example, you have a good difference. Okay, if you have many items in the items property of these controls, at that time this difference become huge, and once it become huge, the loading time would get increase. Okay, for the particular screens where this combo box are there. So from after comparing the id 6 and id 11, we can see the combo box are taking more time to load as compared to the drop down, even if you're passing the same input parameters and the same option set to both of the controls. Okay, so yes guys, that is all. We have I will shown you how the combo box is taking more time as compared to drop down when they need to load the same number of items that the drop down is also loading. Okay, so other things like in that particular in this page, all controls are same, like we have the label who's telling the screen name and the button that is used to go to the back screen. Only the difference was that control. Okay, one is having the drop and the other is having the combo box. Although combo box has the more features, like it can search and also it can be used to multiple selection. But whenever you get the chance to use the drop down instead of combo box, please try to proceed with the drop down only. Okay, because if you add, let's say, in your application, let's say you need to add around 15 to 20 drop downs combo box, so it's good if you can use the drop down instead of combo box. Okay, so thank you, man. Thank you. That is all in this video. Okay, thank you everyone.